This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Donna Turner. Welcome home. This beautiful, newly remodeled 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home boasts an amazing kitchen with Ikea cabinets, granite counters, farmhouse basin sink, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, large island with quartz countertop, and open to the sizable dining area. Spacious owner's suite with walk-in closet. All bathrooms have been remodeled with quality finishes, laminate flooring throughout first level, barn doors, recessed lighting, light fixtures, door hardware, and so much more. All renovations have been done within the past year. Newer roof and HVAC, 2-car attached garage, conveniently located to shopping, interstates, bases. For more information, review the